Our next speaker, Abdulaziz, will present IoT solutions. Abdulaziz is from OQ Technology. So Abdulaziz, please, the floor is yours. Okay.
Thank you very much, Alex. Hello, everyone. Let me know if you see my screen, please.
I will.
Thanks.
Okay. Yes, we see your screen. Please go ahead.
Okay. So let me introduce myself. My name is Abdulaziz Alsaeed. I'm the Global Business Development and Sales Manager at OQ Technology. I'm based on Saudi Arabia, up in OQ Technology. Basically, it's based on our headquarters in Luxembourg. Trialing to the previous presentation been shared with the team and the participant, we would like to provide our services to leverage the agriculture use cases, since we already were leading on term of readiness for the IoT narrowband low orbit satellite connectivity. I would like just to go ahead quickly and give you a brief about OQ Technology, and then later we can share with you some of our solutions that we can utilize to serve the agriculture sector. Today at OQ, we are basically one of the fastest growing startups worldwide when it comes to the narrowband IoT. We are focusing on the SATCOM as well, machine-to-machine connectivity. And we serve multiple industries, including agriculture, but it's not limited. We have 10 satellites as of today. We are aiming to have 25 satellites by. We are planning to have 20 satellites or second batch by end of 2025, aiming to full constellation by 2027 for 72 satellites to give us semi-continuous connectivity to serve more advanced application. We are today leveraging a standard 3GPP, and this is very important when it comes to a different type of applications that need to be integrated with the terminals, and especially for the use cases for agriculture, for water meterings, aggregations, sensors, temperature sensors as well. 3GPP will make it more simplified, just a matter of a plug and play. We own our own spectrums as well. We have a multiple partnership, so we might not be limited only for the satellite. We offer a hybrid option, which is satellite and terrestrial. Going to the mission, as I mentioned, we have 10 satellites successful. We're moving to another 25 by 2025, another 20. And that reason why I'm mentioning that is because we'll reduce the limited the revisit time to transmit the data. Coming today, we know that the coverage is basically for the terrestrial. We're looking at less than 20% of the world. We know about the communication is fragmented, and there's like remote areas that can be covered. And here's where we offer, the satellite connectivity at OQ to offer an easy solution for our customers as well to leverage these use cases. In terms of our satellite and connectivity, we know that it's the current satellite is very, very hungry and power consuming as well. The hardware itself is very expensive and bulky, but and as well the propriety. And here's where we're leveraging the 3GPP. So I will jump quickly to show you exactly where we're standing in terms of deployment plan, so you can have a good idea where we're standing in terms of the use case that we can serve today. Agriculture with 10 satellites of OQ today will be a very practical use case. You can transmit and you have your data in a period between 4 to 6 hours per day. A good example and use case that we already implemented successfully that I will share with you by at the end of the slide. So I will just go ahead and possibly I can share with you some of the architects that we have We build our own end-to-end solutions. We have the hardware as well, satellite, and we build the gateways. And we have option as well. We have a partners gateways around the world. We give an option for our users to have an internal, external data to store their data. As well, we provide them with a network management system dashboard that it's customizable based on the use case they want to display their data. One of the advantages as well at OQ is that you're going to have a two-way communication. That's very useful for the remote areas where we want to control such of valves or such of sensor that you want to monitor as well. You can control, and it's at the same time. Moving to the solution, I will just go quickly to the solution and show you exactly what we have today. We have OQ1 on the left. It's a box 150 mm by 150 mm wide, and basically it's the device that you can integrate your sensors that you can utilize it for the agriculture use case. We as well in the bottom you're going to see the track me is a tracking, and as well that is a fantastic use case to be used for animal tracking, especially for camel or cattle. The track me is basically the size of a credit card. It can be installed in a collar, and it can be used for animal tracking. As well, we offer an airtime and SIM cards. We have a partnership with mobile network operators as well, the virtual ones. And we offer a platform that it's basically designed to display all the data and the users in a map and location, as well the device's health status and logs and analytics. It's going to be the one on your left where you see all your data. In terms of coverage, we are in the Middle East. We are 99% covered, 99.9% covered. We are level 1 as well. We have a license to operate and test in KSA and Middle East. We'll just jump quickly to the use case. So if you see on your right, there's a palm tree. Palm tree, if you see on the bottom, there's a small piece of sensor that it's implemented inside the palm tree, and it's been connected directly to the OQ1, which is connected through Bluetooth. This device basically, the purpose of it is to collect the data for humidity, as well the temperature. And the use case is basically there's some sort of diseases in one of the palm trees that it can spread easily based on a good environment of the heat and plus the temperature for a certain species. So an early indicators here was one of the value proposition that it's been offered to our for this use case, and we are successfully managed to transmit these data. So you can see the display on the bottom exactly how the data has been presented. And that's what I have for you guys. If you have any questions for me afterwards, I'll be more than happy to answer it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Abdulaziz. Thank you so much.